Is it time to buy or sell Eli Lilly stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Eli Lilly. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of May, 2025, our system has classified Eli Lilly as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.84. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. We will keep monitoring this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock currently resides in the midst of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -8.3% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -18.91% and +3.65%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -5.34%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fall between -15.27% and +10.28% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $672.85 and $875.77. Our latest daily update for Eli Lilly features the headline, Eli Lilly stock price experienced a decline of 11.66% on Thursday. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 1st of May 2025, Eli Lilly's stock price decreased by 11.66%, dropping from $898.95 to $794.10. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 7.43%, reaching a low of $792.07 and a high of $850.93. The stock has seen an increase in 7 of the last 10 days, with an overall rise of 8.06% over the past 2 weeks. While trading volume increased on the last day by 9 million shares, it occurred alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, slightly elevating the risk in the short term. In total, 12 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $9.28 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $972.53, while the lowest stood at $677.09. Currently, the price is 18.35% or $178.43, below the 52-week high of $972.53, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Eli Lilly's stock experienced a significant downturn today, marking its worst single-day decline in nearly 17 years, with shares falling over 11%. This drop follows the company's mixed financial results for the first quarter of 2025, where it surpassed sales expectations but fell short on earnings. A concerning element for investors is the revised profit outlook for the full year, which has further contributed to the stock's decline. Compounding these issues, CVS Health recently made the decision to exclude Eli Lilly's obesity drug, Zepbound, from its standard formularies, effective July 1st, raising apprehensions about future sales. Analysts suggest that the market may have overreacted to these developments, potentially creating a buying opportunity, as Zepbound continues to have broad access through other pharmacy benefit managers and regional health plans. The competitive landscape is becoming increasingly challenging, especially as rival Novo Nordisk has secured a significant deal with CVS, further sidelining Lilly's weight loss drug initiatives. In the short term, this negative sentiment is likely to weigh on the stock as investors process the insights from the earnings call and the adjusted projections. However, Eli Lilly's strong market presence and sales growth in key products like Mounjaro and Zepbound could provide a cushion for the stock over the long term, assuming they can navigate these competitive pressures effectively. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned LLY an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned LLY a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned LLY an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned LLY a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned LLY a reduce grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Eli Lilly stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, in terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Eli Lilly. Furthermore, there was a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals were also issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The Eli Lilly stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $861.32, as well as $810.36. A breakout above either of these levels would create new buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 30th, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 11.66%. Additional declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday's volume increased alongside falling prices, serving as a potential early warning, indicating that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots revealed a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 15 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 7 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, too, indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has produced a buy signal 18 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Eli Lilly. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $753.71 and $738.21. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Eli Lilly finds support just below today's level at $753.71. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $738.21 and $723.73. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $58.86 between its high and low, representing a movement of 7.43%. For the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 3.57%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Eli Lilly, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could mean that the stock is overvalued, or that investors expect high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.26. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Eli Lilly. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Eli Lilly is at $839.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Eli Lilly faces its first support level at $753.71. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Eli Lilly from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 21st of April, 2025, Sulzberger Gabriel conducted an insider purchase of 6,061 shares of common stock. On the same day, Luciano Juan R. made an insider purchase of 18,133 shares of common stock. On the 21st of April, 2025, Hedley Mary Lynn conducted an insider purchase of 12,123 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Firewall J. Eric made an insider purchase of 12,123 shares of common stock. Finally, on the same day, Alvarez Ralph conducted an insider purchase of 14,364 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 89.643. In total, insiders purchased 32,447 shares and sold 674,027 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. If Eli Lilly stock a good buy, Eli Lilly exhibits several negative indicators and is currently experiencing a significant downward trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a buy recommendation to a sell recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we expect Eli Lilly to open higher by $18.27, starting at $812.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.